This video will show you how to replace the dual-point keeper in a builder's wood patio door. First, open the door to gain access to the keeper. Use a number 2 square drive to remove the 4 screws in the keeper. Remove the old keeper and replace it with a new one. Screw in the 4 screws to secure the new keeper. Finally, close the door and test for proper operation. Make adjustments if necessary. Watch our video on keeper adjustments for more information. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.